We got a big one here.
Everywhere we go.
Shoot. Oh, look at that maneuvering. Oh,
Woo!
oh now hard.
Faster!
Hard.
Uh-oh. I hope I don't lose my phone.
You okay?
Are you okay? Aww. Where's his family?
Seemed like it was okay. Just
We did it.
don't worry about it.
Hat. There is the hat.
Okay, can we not?
There is a hat.
Why are we stopping?
Oh no.
Is he okay?
No, he's fine.
He's not okay. I mean, no, he's not fine, but he's okay. Okay, not being fine and being okay are two different
I
things.
saw he had a little.
I
There
think
was
he's
like a
so
little
bad.
chest or something.
Okay, you guys,
No, I want to get in there.
get ready. Oh my God.
Oh!
Okay, so first one on the right.
Oh, I gotta go potty. Wow, this was not like that.
Hey, can you pull over? Princess has to go potty.
A couple of, when we went last time, it was not like that. I'm just saying.
Over the water.
Okay, we might want to turn around.
Nico,
Turn around.
turn around.
Sasha!
Woo. Oh my God. That is a really big one right there. Okay.
Yes! Yeah, good one.
Woo!
Okay, another rock.
Another rock.
Ooh, dude, that guy's a one.
Wow, you guys, this was not like that 2 days ago. I'm just saying.
Dude, you gotta save that guy.
I have no clue how people get out.
I really gotta go.
It's dangerous. Let people die.
You should not be getting out right now.
Be giving your life vest.
Hey!
Here. No, I got it.
Yeah. You want to get in? I don't know if you can get in. Hey, dude!
He's not having fun.
Hey! Get in?
Here.